Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this customized designer pattern which is really looking so elegant. So I'm gonna show you using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this marking. On the saree it has made with the square pattern, and on the blouse it's been designed with the triangular pattern. Mark the small grid of lines which is of 6 by 6 very small size square boxes and all over with 1 inch marking, creating the square shape. And here I'll be using gold color liquid embroidering cone for the creation of the outline on the small grid. This grid lines we are creating for the cutwork pattern, and these are customized design patterns, so you can create as per your requirement. But if you know how to create the pattern, we can easily try as per our requirement, isn't it? I'll be going with the gold work because the gold will really gives an elegant look. You can also try with many colors as per your availability and the matching of your garments. Now I'll be burning using this dupe stick the inner space of the square boxes like this. You can also apply the glue, then burn it so that it will not left with any stains and you will get the nicer finishings. Next to that I'll be using stone lace of gold color with rhinestone. This is to highlight the square pattern of this cut work. So 2 lines I'll be creating here. Accordingly I would be cutting and applying the glue to stick on this border. The same way you have to mark on the necklines of your blouse, creating the triangular shape which is of equilateral triangle. The inner side of the triangle with small grids of triangle shape, followed with the stone lace, that is to highlight the triangle shape. Next to that I'll be showing the same way you have to continue the triangle shape. Whatever it's been the geometrical pattern, we have to follow these instructions to create that shape. Now for the final outlining I'll be using here the chain bow lace, and it's completely optional. You can also work with the pearl lace or stone lace. And the filling, here I'll be using 2 colors of small size of golden pipes which is of silver and gold color. So the inner space will be filled with the glue first. This is to stick the small size of gold pipe. So little by little spread the glue evenly so that it will stick and stay. As we are working completely with the glue pattern, we need to follow a certain precaution so that it will stay for long run. Only go for the dry wash because these are customized designer pattern. Though we are giving an invisible stitches on it, the preferable is the light wash or dry wash. It's been exclusively designed for the wedding wear. Also you can try this for the party. Why not you can try this for your old plain saree to turn into new designer saree for the upcoming festive or new year collection. This would be the one of the best collection in your wardrobe, and you must try this type of patterns to look trendy and fashionable. So on this glue I'd be sticking these gold pipes without leaving any gaps, and if you are left over with any gaps you can also stick the golden beads or rhinestones also according to the leftover gaps. The materials I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want you can check it. And finally, once this is dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on the stone lace, also on the chain bow lace. This is not yet dried, but I will be giving the stitches so that you could easily understand what I am doing here. Hold it firmly like this. Here I will be using cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle for giving an invisible stitches on it. Like this we can create 4 to 5 on the front pallu for the designing, also on the sleeves and the triangular pattern on the neckline. I think this created customized pattern is clear to you all. Having any doubts you can write to me in the comment section, and the final lookout would look like this. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.